You know, those who serve our country can face their biggest enemy when they get home. Tonight we hear from one former soldier wounded in Afghanistan who says the toughest part of his service was asking for mental health help when he got back. Our Carl Torp has his story.
A call of duty.
Extraordinary acts of heroism.
Detailed at the White House.
Sergeant Pitts had been knocked to the ground and was bleeding heavily from shrapnel wounds to his arm and legs. But with incredible toughness and resolve, he subsequently took control of the observation posts and returned fire on the enemy.
Sergeant Ryan Pitts of Lowell, Massachusetts, was given the Medal of Honor, the highest military decoration. Yet what he saw in Afghanistan didn't scare him nearly as much as what he felt at home.
The first time that I ever called the VA and said I need to talk to somebody, it is harder than anything I've ever done.
Pitts tells us his depression was debilitating, and he got help.
My invisible wounds have been harder to learn to live with than the physical wounds.
Which is why he now urges fellow veterans, active service members, and their families to not battle mental health alone.
Your brain's a very powerful organ. Why do you think that you should tackle this on your own?
This week, Pitts is back near Fort Sill, where he went to basic training for the formal unveiling of the first Stephen A. Cohen Military Family Clinic in Oklahoma. Professionals have already been meeting with Oklahomans through telehealth.
We're trying to get ahead of this problem. We're trying to remind veterans and active duty military members that when you need help, raise your hand and we'll be there.
The Cohen Veterans Network, a nonprofit, now has 19 clinics nationwide, with 5 more planned for next year.
It is much more than just post-traumatic stress disorder. There can be anxiety, there's military sexual trauma, there's depression, there's a whole slew of things, but these don't have to be permanent barriers to happiness or healthy lives.
For this Medal of Honor recipient, talking about those barriers provides a true purpose past the battlefield.
I may have taken the uniform off, but my duty to my brothers and sisters is not gone.
Carl Torp, Oklahoma's Own, News 9.